In this video, we are going to look at how we can set up SMS validation for the SMS numbers that you have collected on your accounts. So there are two places where you can set this up. If you are an agency owner, you can set this up for your sub-accounts by going into your agency dashboard and then clicking on this phone integration under settings. So go to your agency dashboard, click on settings, and once you are in settings, click on phone integration. Then all your sub-accounts will be listed here. And then in that, you can see the accounts with LC phone. When you click on this edit icon, a new window will open up, and this is where you can add this option to validate phone number when a contact is created. Please do mind that this is a paid option. You have to pay for each validation. So you basically pay $0.005 for each applicable validation. So when you turn this on, what happens when a new contact is created? A Twilio lookup will run in the backend, and then if the phone number is invalid or if it's a landline number, you cannot send SMS. So in that case, the contact SMS will be put into do not disturb mode, and any future SMS will not go to that particular contact. Now, if you want to turn this on in a sub-account, on the sub-account level, you go to your sub-account, click on settings, and then you will find your business plan, this general tab. Under this general tab, you can see here validate phone number when first SMS is sent to a contact. So this works a little bit differently. So when you set up an SMS campaign and when the SMS is queued to go out, a Twilio phone lookup will run. And if they find that the phone number associated with the contact is not correct, or if it is a landline number where you cannot send SMS, then that contact will be put into DND for their SMS channel. So it makes sure that you don't send out any future SMS communication to this contact because the contact's SMS is under DND or do not disturb. So this is how the phone validation works. And again, this is a paid option. Even if you set this up here, you can see in this information here, you have to pay $0.005 for each validation. Now, what happens when there is a invalid SMS? How can we know that there is an invalid SMS? For that, we need to set up an automation. So for that, you do automation settings up and create a new workflow and create from scratch. So for easy understanding, I have added us two triggers here. So when you click on this trigger, you can see this is for Twilio validation error. So when you go inside the trigger, you can see the trigger is called Twilio validation error, and then you can add a filter which says the error is, and there are two options. One is not valid and one is SMS incapable. When you click on not valid, what happens if the phone number is wrong? If it's supposed to have 10 digits and don't have 9 digits, in that case, this error will happen. And with this trigger, you can catch such errors. So error is not valid is for such phone numbers. And when the error is SMS incapable, in this case, if you have captured a landline number where you cannot send SMS, this error will happen. So in that case, if the contact has a landline number, this trigger will trigger, and then you can, after that, you can probably send an internal notification to check with the contact, or you can create a task if you want, follow up with the contact. So this is how you find out if there's an SMS number is invalid or not and take actions based on that. So I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.